You're watching Max Talks, and we're here at the Excel in London for everything electric. And I'm on the Hyundai stand, and we're taking a look at this, the IONIQ5N, a car Hyundai thinks has finally cracked the hot hatch for the electric market. So let's take a look. So the car we've got here is actually liveried up in what has been a recent announcement, and that is that Hyundai are now the official partner of Motorsport Vision. So that's Brands Hatch, Snetterton, Bedford Autodrome, Donington Park, and the likes of Cadwell Park. So all of the cars that you'll have as part of their experience are now going to be IONIQ5Ns. And it's quite a formidable car. So this has 641 horsepower at its peak, and will do 0 to 60 in about 3.4 seconds. So it's got the credentials to be incredibly fast. I got to drive it earlier in the day, and I have to say I was really impressed with the way it went. So inside the car, you do get quite a few bits different compared to the standard IONIQ 5. So like we've got on here, we've got the N steering wheel. So you've got your satellite buttons here for your various N modes, your drive mode button up here as well. You've also got paddles on the back, because what this car will do is it will actually simulate an internal combustion engine car with a gearbox. And when I drove it, it actually worked really, really well. It felt like I was driving something like a Golf R or a Cupra Leon. You've also got this NGB button up here, this sort of, they call it grin mode. And that gives you all 641 horsepower for about 10 seconds, so to help you with overtaking. And that thing is really, really powerful. So that was really cool to try that. Other things you also get these sort of bucket seats for the driver and the passenger. You also get N-branded carpet mats, a few bits of trims, and the likes of the blue stitching all around. But otherwise, it's fundamentally the same as what you'll get on an IONIQ 5. So you've got all your USB charging up at the front here. You've got your wireless phone charger, lots of storage as well. It's a big car, this. In terms of how it drives, it's a completely different animal. When you actually drive it in eco mode, it drives just like a standard IONIQ 5. But then, as I say, you put it into race mode. You even have a drift mode if you want to get really silly with it. As I say, it feels like a completely different car. I am hoping to get one on the channel for a full review. So if you want to see that, be sure to click subscribe, click the bell icon to get notified when that video goes live. In terms of pricing for this car, it starts from about 65 grand. So it is incredibly high for pricing. But when you consider other cars with 650 horsepower, then you could argue it's probably relatively reasonable. Compared to other hot hatches like the Honda Civic Type R, that's at 50 grand. Got the Audi RS3 and Audi A45, they're north of 60 now. So it's kind of around that sort of ballpark. But what do you think? A lot of other journalists who have driven this car absolutely love it. Even Throttle House gave it their car of the year last year. But what do you think? Sound off in the comments below. Would you go for this, or would you maybe go for one of its combustion rivals, as it were? And of course, if you've enjoyed this video, I really appreciate if you hit like. Don't forget, click subscribe, click the bell icon so you get to see more videos as of when they go live on the channel. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching. I'm Max, this is Max Talks, and I'll see you on the next one.